They're like that. I do.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I do.
Okay, all right, all right.
Well, if they have cut it in half, so I roll it from one end and then from the other end. So I get two completely different canes. Which, if it's white in the middle, I do white on the outside.
If it's dark in the middle, you do dark on the outside.
You see, there's no thought process at all. And I don't make it high. I make it quite low because I don't want to flatten them. I want still some size in it. Maybe I'll put in there. And I want it at the ends. Yeah. I want two colours. I've got just a white at the end. When you join another one, you just get white, and the pattern separates. Whereas if I put another one there, I've got a little bit of pattern there, which makes it flow better. Whistle. And I might put it like.
Okay. All right.
So I get.
Yeah, there's a good bit of curling up over each other.
Yeah. Yeah, so it might look like that, but there's a bit of difference there and there. And then I flatten it, and then I literally start to roll it that way. Turn it over, roll it, and then keep compressing it. Because I might want it a bit narrower than it is, because I'm going to make it go long that way. And if I've got too much the same there, I might just cut a strip off there and just pop it there. And then I start to pinch it. So I'm dragging it each way that way. And stretching it. I don't want these to go out that way. I want them to be straight. Takes a bit of time, but not too much time. So it's pinchy, and if it starts to break open, I just press it. Then I start stretching it, flipping it, stretching it, turning it, stretching it. I don't flatten it completely at this point. I just want to see what's going on. So then I have a look. So I will cut 6 pieces off that and start to assemble them, and I'll keep one piece back to reduce further so it's even thinner.
Wow.
And then I use my little sticks, these little wooden knockers. Yes, they're now called knockers. You can edit that out.
She knocks with them. Knock.
Knock it into shape.
Oh, well, that's cool.
Yeah, they're quite useful. And if I don't want it as thick as that, I will use my knitting needles. Oh no, these 2 sticks, which are slightly narrower, are thinner. And put them like that. And then I want to have a look inside again. So I will have a look. So I'll just look inside and see if I prefer it narrow that. So you start getting choices.
Oh, yeah.
Turn it. I just move the sticks to match it. And then put another 2 down. And I'll either like them to be a continuous pattern, or I'll start to alternate the colours, depending what's going on. So I'll either think, oh, I like it like that. Oh, stay there. Like that. Or I might think, oh, that's not really interesting. I'll try it that way.
Oh, zigzag.
Yeah. Depending on what you're going to be covering, whether it's a ball or a bangle or whatever. And then if I wanted to do a bangle, I would put it.
Yes.
You can start to join them like that and keep doing